Your feet spend all day trapped in heavy, stiff shoes, so the moment you get home should feel like a total reset. I've been looking at these open-toe slippers that change the game for anyone who hates that sweaty, trapped feeling of a standard house shoe. The first thing you notice is the color. It is a dusty rose, a really subtle and soft pink that feels more like a spa day than a child's toy. The construction is a crossband style, which is a brilliant choice for people who struggle with fit. If you have wider feet, you know the struggle of a closed-toe slipper that pinches or forces your toes together. This design just lets everything breathe. The fabric choice here is a waffle weave. If you have ever used a high-quality textured towel or a plush robe, you know exactly what this feels like. It is a cotton blend with a grid pattern. This does more than just look nice. It actually increases the surface area for air to move around. Your feet stay dry because the fabric absorbs moisture and lets it evaporate naturally. No one likes that clammy feeling after an hour wearing synthetic liners. Underneath that fabric is a layer of memory foam. This stuff is fascinating because it reacts to your body heat and pressure. When you step down, it does not just flatten out like a piece of cardboard. It molds to your specific arch and heel. It is like the slipper is learning the shape of your foot as you walk. This is a huge relief for anyone who stands for long periods in the kitchen or around the house. Flat slippers can be torture on your heels, but this material distributes your weight evenly. You do not get those painful pressure points. Now, let us talk about the bottom. The sole is made from a flexible rubber compound. It is durable enough that you can actually step outside to grab the mail or take the trash out without worrying about ruining them. It is not a flimsy foam bottom. It has real grip and an anti-skid design. This is essential if you have hardwood, tile, or laminate floors. You will not be sliding around like you are on an ice rink. They are not waterproof, so do not go jumping in puddles. But for a quick trip to the porch, they are perfect. Maintenance is also incredibly simple. You can just toss these in the washing machine with cold water. Let them air dry and they are fresh again. That is a massive plus for something you wear every single day. The sizing comes in brackets, like small to medium groupings. This works because the crossband and the memory foam are so accommodating. It is a versatile, breathable, and incredibly soft solution for home comfort that actually looks sophisticated. Whether you pick the pink, black, white, or the blue-gray, you are getting something that prioritizes your foot health and your comfort equally. It is about time we treated our feet with a bit more respect after a long day of work. Most of us just grab the cheapest pair we see at the store, but the difference here is the intentional design. The way the footbed lining mimics that soft, absorbent quality of the outer fabric instead of using a cheap synthetic plastic is a detail that you will notice every time you slide them on. It feels less like a cheap shoe and more like a dedicated tool for relaxing. Plus, that little branded element on the side adds a touch of personality without being loud. If you are looking for a gift or just a way to stop your feet from aching on those hard kitchen tiles, this is a path worth taking. It is comfort that actually makes sense.